The Tecno Pova Curve 5G brings a futuristic design inspired by interstellar spaceships. Its fine matte finish gives it a premium feel, while IP64 protection makes it resistant to dust and water splashes. It features a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 3D curved edges, a sharp resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, and a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. With 1300 nits of peak brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 5, it's great for both indoor and outdoor use. The phone runs on iOS 15 based on Android 15, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chipset, built on a 4nm process. This processor is optimized for gaming, offering smooth performance and efficient power usage. The Mali G615 MCoulombs 2 GPU adds strong graphics support, making it ideal for mobile gamers. You can choose between 6 or 8 GB of RAM, with storage options of 128 or 256 GB using fast UFS 2.2 technology. On the back, the Pova Curve 5G has a 64-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, with support for video recording up to 4K at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it offers a 13-megapixel front camera. Powering the phone is a large 5500 mAh battery, supported by 45-watt fast charging, so you can get back to gaming and browsing in no time. For sound, enjoy dual speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience. It also features an under-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. In terms of connectivity, the Tecno Pova Curve 5G supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, and OTG. Starting price is about 15,999 Indian rupees or around 10,400 Philippine pesos, offering incredible value for the specs it delivers. The Tecno Pova Curve 5G is a smart choice if you want a powerful, stylish, and affordable 5G smartphone. With its curved AMOLED display, long battery life, and a chipset built for gaming, it stands out in its price range. If you're looking for a feature-packed phone that's ready for games, videos, and more, check out the Tecno Pova Curve 5G today.